I think it's about time for me to do an EDC video, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you what gadgets that I usually carry around when I'm out and about. Let's go. This portion of the video is sponsored by Hoyoverse. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. Now before we deep dive into what's in my bag, let's talk about today's sponsor first. Are you a gamer? Whether you are an avid or a casual one, I have a game to show you. I recently found out about Zenless Zone Zero, and it's actually an urban fantasy ARPG.
Yes, Master.
It's Hoyoverse's latest one, and you know it's gonna be super high quality. There are many characters to use, but my favorite are Alan, Lykeon, and Zuyuan. Cool, right? I really love the cool art style and also the funky soundtrack. The game is out now for PC, PS5 and also mobile, so go download and try, okay? Confirm shock one. When you download and try, you'll get 100 pulls for characters and 80 for bang boost for free. Don't forget to use the link down here, okay? I've already included in the description below. Now let's check out what's inside my Grams 28 CT Pack messenger bag. Now the first thing I want to show you is my iPhone. Now of course everyone has a phone with them, right? Whether it's an iPhone or Android or whatever, you can either put it in your bag or in your pocket. But to me, sometimes I just put it in a bag lah, okay? Now the next thing I want to show you is this one, my Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses. But it's not sunglasses because I've actually converted it into my power lenses, my power specs. So sometimes I actually wear this to events or when I'm out with friends, because I can then record videos without my hands holding a phone or a camera, which is very convenient, okay? Next one. I don't usually bring this out, only when I'm traveling, maybe within the country or even when I'm traveling outside. This is the Backbone 1, okay? So what I can do with this is, it's basically a game controller that I can plug my iPhone to, and then I can play games like I'm holding a controller, like a PS5 controller, Xbox controller, and it's very fun to play like a real game console. Okay, the next item, very recent, okay? This is the Clicks Key keyboard for iPhone. It's perfect for when I'm on the go and I need to type like long emails, or if I want to type something during live stream, I can actually use the keyboard here to type so I can have the full screen view. Next up, because I do a lot of street photography, I always bring along a street camera, okay? So this is the Ricoh GR3X. And I recently brought it along with me to some trips and got some very nice pictures. Hopefully, I can find them and put them in this video so you can see them. Next one, because I create content all the time, everywhere I go, audio is very important, okay? So I always bring along with me microphones for the camera and also for the iPhone. Now this is the Boya microphone, and it comes with adapters for the iPhone, Android or even camera. So it's very portable and convenient to record content anywhere and record audio along with it. And then of course, for a person that is always out and about, we definitely need a power bank, right? So this power bank is actually by Mophie and it's a 10,000 mAh power bank. And what I love about it is there's also a stand. So when I'm charging it via MagSafe, I can actually place it on the table and use it to watch Netflix or even like scroll Instagram without holding the phone. Now let's check out what's on the outside pocket of my messenger bag. There's a Seagate external SSD that I bring along with me because I need to transfer files to and from the iPhone or even into my iPad or my MacBook, okay? Hence, this is very convenient. The space that I have inside here is actually 2 terabyte, okay? And AirPods Pro. Of course, no need to tell anything because you know what an AirPods Pro is. I need to hear my music all the time as I go and travel around. And at the back here, I actually have, let's see, I actually have a random SD card, okay, 32GB. I don't know why I have it here, but yeah. And my car keys. So I also want to share that my car keys actually has this little thing by Nomad, okay? It's basically the charge key, USB Type-C charge key. So in case I need to charge my phone and I don't bring a cable with me, I will always have this little thing with me, which is very convenient, and I can charge my phone anytime, anywhere I want. That's about it. That's everything that's in my bag. Hopefully you like my sharing. Here are all the gadgets that I bring with me every day, but not all the time lah, okay? If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and all these things, I've also included and listed them in the description below. Go and read, okay? That's all, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!